Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First open Capcut. Go to New Project. And add 1 video and 10 photos. Now select Format, 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now trim video and photos to this time duration. Split and delete the extra part of the audio. Now add animation to the photos. Tap on Photo, go to Animation, and then Combo. And apply Pendulum 1 effect to all photos. Go to Video and turn down the volume to 0. Now check video. Now select Resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.